For this project, we're using 3/4 inch red oak plywood as the main material for the table. To get started, I'll cut the 4x8 sheet in half at 48 inches, which will be the final length for the top and bottom panel. Next, I can rip that piece in half at roughly 24 inches, which will be the final width of the top and bottom panel. This will make the overall dimensions for our table 48 by 24 inches. However, these dimensions can be customized depending on your space. To fit with the style of the table, we're going to cut the top and bottom panels into an oval. So I'll start by centering a compass on the tabletop and marking out the corners for a rounded look. Once the marks are made, you can use a jigsaw to cut off the corners of each panel. Just make sure to cut with the bottom side facing up to avoid tear out on the face. The final step for assembly is to add some of Osborne's pre-glued edge banding to each plywood edge, which will completely transform the look of this table. Osborne's pre-glued edge banding comes in multiple sizes and wood species and is very easy to install. If you're interested in learning more about how to install edge banding, you can reference the video above or check out the products in the description below.